Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to pass the WASSCE 2020 exam. That's your WAEC 2020 exam. And before we get into the video, if this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials is an educational channel on YouTube where we support students preparing for the WAEC, NECO, GC and JAMB exams. Please try to click the subscribe button, subscribe to support us to do more, and also share this channel with your friends, family, loved one, and most importantly, it is free to subscribe. Absolutely free. We do free videos on maths and physics, and we also help junior students also in their maths. So please try to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to get instantly notified whenever we upload an educational video for you. Alright, and don't forget to share this channel, this video, and also if you have any questions, feel free to comment, and please do give this video a thumbs up as it also helps us in promoting our videos on YouTube. Please try to give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so in getting to the video today, I have 3 tips on how you can pass your WASSCE 2020 examination. Now the first tip is that you need to start preparing now. You need to start preparing now. You need to start preparing early for your exams. You don't need to wait for January or December before you start preparing for your WAEC exams. All right, so to get 9 A's is not a joking matter, so you need to start preparing for your exams right now. So, and on our channel we have free videos that would help you in your preparation in your maths. Now you can see this is WASSCE 2018 mathematics past questions solved. That's the theory, complete 13 theory questions solved and explained for WASSCE 2018. And during the course of the year I would also upload videos on WASSCE, that's this year's 2019 past questions solved. So you can watch this video to kickstart your preparation, so you don't get so tensed up. So that's the first thing you need to do. If you go on our channel in the playlist, you see several WAEC videos that would help you in your preparation. The second tip is that you need a guide to read, and that's having a syllabus. So to get your syllabus, that's your WAEC syllabus, all you need to do is go to the dtwtutorials.com, our blog. This is where I put several PDF copies for you to help you in your exams. All right, to help you prepare. All right, so when you get to the blog, is either you come here to download. You can either come here to download and go to syllabus, or on your mobile device you see this bar. Just come here, click here and go to downloads and click on syllabus. And here you have it. You see the WAEC syllabus here. You also have the JAM for students also writing JAM, but for WAEC it's written by 5 West African countries. So other countries that don't do JAM, just come here directly, click on the WAEC syllabus. I'm also going to update this. If there's an updated version during the course of the year, I would also update this, but this is the current one right now. All right, so all you need to do is just click this, your general maths, your English, biology, all the way literature, commerce. So you click it, and so you can know which topics to read and cover for your WAEC exams. Okay, it's very important you have a guide. This guides you on what to read, so you don't go off the syllabus of WAEC. All right, okay, so that's the second tip. And the last tip I have for you is to practice your WAEC past questions. That's why you have several videos here. Okay, if you go into the YouTube channel, I'm going to show you some videos. You have several videos here which you can use to practice. If you go to the playlist, all right, and you go to okay, this is WAEC. You can see for WAEC, covering WAEC, you have 38 videos. Now the first one is the complete 50 questions solved for 2018. We also have that for the complete 50 questions solved for 2017. So you have a lot of things that would help you in practicing for your exams. And introduction to topics and all, we have this for maths. All right, so these are the 3 tips I have for you. The first tip, you have to start preparing now. Start preparing early. The second tip, you need a study guide, and I've shown you where you can get a study guide. And the last and final tip is to practice and practice and practice your past questions. And with these 3 tips, I know you'll come out in your WAEC in flying colors. All right, during the course of the year, I'm also going to do several videos to encourage you in your forthcoming WAEC 2020 exams. That's your WASSCE 2020 exams. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification bell to get instantly notified whenever we upload a video. And also, please give this video a thumbs up as it helps us in promoting our video on YouTube, and share this channel with your friends, family, and your loved ones. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment. And also, don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ, for Jesus is the way, is the truth, and the life. Okay, bye for now, and you are destined to win. Bye.